Hi, my name is Darla Emerson, and I've been teaching statistics for a while now. And as a result, have recorded all of my videos of the lessons that I've taught in AP statistics. So if you are needing a resource, the publishers for the Practice of Statistics, 6th edition, have allowed me to share this with you, even though many of the videos have some of their slides and visuals, which is kind of them because I know that that's not the norm to share the copyrighted material. So we appreciate that. So if you're needing a resource, these are kind of rough. They were made with my students in the room often. And so you may hear sneezing, coughing, who knows what in the background, but you'll feel like you're in a classroom. The upside, they ask good questions, and so those are heard in the video as well often. Sometimes, occasionally, I've recorded it by hand. Most of these are done while I'm teaching. So if you see error or you see something, I'm not perfect by any means. So if you see something wrong, let me know, but do it in a kind way. Just shoot me an email, and I'll try to fix the things that we see that need to be fixed. And I'm happy to improve those videos for you and for me. So let me just show you how that works. So when you click on the link for my Google Drive, you'll get this folder. And it's in the order that I teach, and I don't teach in the same order the Practice of Statistics teaches. That is because I like to make them start practicing deciding whether it's a proportion or a means. So I teach all the one sample stuff together and then all the two sample stuff. So for hypothesis testing, I'll do the one sample z-test and one sample t-test and the one proportion z-test. And then when we hit the next unit, we'll be with the two sample hypothesis testing, just so they have to distinguish. So you can teach it in whatever order you want to. If you go to my table of contents that I'm just now clicking on, it has for every video number, it tells you what the concepts were, what the lesson was. So even if you're not teaching out of the Practice of Statistics, you could still look up and see what is the content and then use the video that matches that. So if we go back to that, let's say that we're in chapter 10. If we go to chapter 10, and you can see there's video folder that just has every video for that unit. And then if you go back, you can see that there's also a notes folder. The notes folder is all the learning targets for each lesson, and then both the filled-in notes and the blank notes. So and they're the notes that match the video. So if you push these out to kids, then you can push out the filled in and the blank notes. Now, I warn you, my handwriting is horrible, but somehow my students have been surviving that. So hopefully yours could too. And then I also have a worksheets folder within these chapters, which are just the filled in, like the key. And often I'll have my students do the worksheet and then check it with the key and correct it in a different color. And then they can upload that to show me that they've done it. So that's sort of how I'm going to handle it for now. So the worksheets are in there, both filled in and blank. And so feel free to use those as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. And in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors, or at least if you're outdoors, social distance, and have a great day. Thank you.